Welcome to our vlog.
Good morning, ma'am. Unsay ngalan nato, ma'am?
Colette Mona Lisa.
Ma'am, kami tulo ka question, ma'am. Then, would you consider yourself successful?
Para na ko, pagilong ko sa katapusan. Daghan pa kung dapat makatunan. So,
Ang ikaduha, ma'am, what is successful for you?
na ako'y control sa oras at desisyon.
Ang ikatulo, ma'am, is what are the discarded tips to be a successful?
Magmatinod-anon o disiplinado o makatuon ka sa sayo.
Okay, ma'am, daghang salamat. Thank you very much. Okay, hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you.
May I know your name, ma'am?
I'm Grace Geronimo.
Nakoy tulo ka pangutana, ma'am. Ang first is, would you consider yourself successful?
Yes, I am. I consider myself a successful one because I have achieved some of my goals in my life, and I am happy with my progress I've made in my life.
Ang ikaduha, ma'am, is what is successful for you?
For me, successful is not just being the achievements or fame. It is being healthy, good in character, and at peace spiritually with God.
Okay, ma'am. Ang ikatulo, ma'am, is what are the discarded tips to be successful?
Discarded tips or tips to be considered to be successful is one, you have to set your goals. Next is the hard work. Then keep believing in yourself, keep learning, and never give up. That's the tips to be successful one.
Wow, very good, ma'am. Thank you very much and goodbye. Welcome sa among vlog karon, sir. Unsay akong ngalan, sir? Okay. Namin tulo ka questions sa inyo, sir. Would you consider yourself successful? Kanang unsay imong unsay mo consider sa imong kagalingon as a successful?
Para sa Quran, wala pa po ng success.
Okay, sir. Ang ikaduha, sir, is what is successful for you?
Kemau ka handog sa
Ang among ikatulong ang pangutana, sir, is what are the discarded tips to be a successful? Unsay imong mga discarded sa imong kinabuhi?
diskarte. Diskarte sa kinabuhi kong success ka kini respeto sa mga tao nga nasa mga palibot. No?
Sige, sir. Salamat kaayo, sir. Welcome to our vlog. Mayong buntag, sir.
Parents dito sa population dito po sa Bogadinsor.
Ayun. Ano pangutana, sir? What is you consider yourself as successful?
Sa kuwa lang pagsusukan ng galing dapat kontrolado ang sa bawat dapat balansin mo mo kontrato sa isip na tao.
Okay, sir. Ikaduha, sir, is unsa ang successful sa inyo?
Mas kuha po na sa mga successful ng sa kapag sa isip na tao sa salamat sa mga patanungan nila, no? Paningkamot mo ayo, samtang napamahinahan. Kaya nag-produce mo ninyo mga produce mo ninyo ginagawa. Tawag ako kayo.
Okay sir, dagang salamat sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
May I know your name?
My name is Shani Norca, but you can call me Shen.
Nakatutulong ka pangutan na.
Sure.
Would you consider yourself a successful?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Ikadua, ma'am, is what is successful for you?
Para sa kuha, successful is like nakay something na na-achieve sa imong kinabuhi.
Okay. And ikatulong, ma'am, is what are the discarded tips to be a successful?
Just to be kind, as always, to all people that surrounded you. That's all.
Thank you very much, ma'am.